Localistas, welcome to Mindamora Falls. Yan, naririnig nyo na ba yung lagaslas ng ilog? Yan, yung tubig. Yan. Malapit na tayo dito. Yan, nandito na tayo sa babang portion ng Mindamora. Grabe. For those adventurers na gusto talagang ng extreme hiking, no? I recommend you to have this Mindamora experience kasi napakaganda, napakaganda ng experience. Very virgin talaga yung kalikasan, and it's so communing with the nature. Yan lang, napaka-tricky ng daan, but once in your life you should experience this once in a lifetime adventure with your family or friends na outgoing, yung gustong mag-hike. Ayan, ayan, nandito na tayo sa baba. Imagine mo, the falls is 870 feet across below sea level, and considered as a number 2 tallest waterfall in the Philippines. Diba? So, trivia, yung pinaka number 1 who claimed the top spot is Maria Cristina Falls. I think the Maria Cristina Falls is located at Lanao. Correct me if I'm wrong. But since hindi naman tayo vlogger talaga, I just made this video for documentation purposes, so that when I get older I could scan out my YouTube video and let my children and wife or family in the future see what I explored at my age, at the age of 32 ha. At the age of 32 I was able to go to Mindanao. Mindanao is, ito yung unang tapak ko dito sa Mindanao, and surprisingly breathtaking, hindi sayang, very maganda.